Today's video tackles a very important question. Is healthcare the safest bet for investors in 2025? With economic uncertainty, geopolitical tensions, and an evolving technology landscape, healthcare is emerging as a stable and attractive sector. But is it really as safe as it seems? We're going to break it all down, from sector trends, policy outlook, demographic data, company analysis, and finally, some stock picks you should keep an eye on. So grab a coffee, and let's get into it. Let's start with the basics. Why is healthcare becoming a hot favorite among investors? Recession-resistant nature. People don't stop needing medical care during economic downturns. This makes healthcare a defensive sector, relatively immune to market cycles. Aging population. Globally, populations are getting older. The U.S. alone is expected to have over 77 million people aged 65 and older by 2035. That's a massive, consistent demand for healthcare services. Chronic diseases on the rise, with increasing lifestyle-related illnesses like diabetes, obesity, and heart disease. Demand for medication, treatment, and devices is growing. Post-COVID investment boost. The pandemic made governments, investors, and individuals more aware of the importance of healthcare infrastructure, biotech innovation, and pharmaceutical development. According to Global Market Insights, the global healthcare market was valued at over $10 trillion in 2022 and is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 7% through 2030. Let's look at a few subsectors driving that growth. Biotech and genomics, gene editing, personalized medicine, and AI-powered drug discovery are revolutionizing this space. Telemedicine. Virtual care is becoming more mainstream, especially for primary and mental health services. Medical devices, wearables, robotic surgeries, and diagnostics are booming due to tech integration. Healthcare IT, cloud-based EMRs, cybersecurity, and digital billing solutions are improving hospital efficiency. These are not just trends, they're shifts in how healthcare operates and earns revenue. The healthcare sector doesn't operate in a vacuum. Policy plays a huge role. In the U.S., 2025 may bring significant developments. Medicare expansion or reforms. Depending on the presidential outcome, access to Medicare could be widened or adjusted, impacting insurer revenue models. Drug pricing legislation. Pressure continues to lower prescription drug prices. That affects big pharma margins but could increase volumes. Regulatory approvals. The FDA continues to fast-track critical drug and device approvals, especially for rare diseases and AI-driven treatments. Outside the U.S., nations like India and Brazil are massively investing in public healthcare infrastructure, creating global opportunities. Now, no investment is without risk, and that includes healthcare. Regulatory risks. New laws can affect drug pricing, patent rights, and insurance structures. Litigation and recalls. One bad trial or product recall can sink a stock overnight. High R&D costs. Biotech firms spend billions before seeing revenue. Many small-cap firms might never turn profitable. Valuation concerns. Some healthcare stocks are trading at very high multiples, especially in biotech, making them risky if results underperform. The key is understanding which companies are overvalued hype and which have strong fundamentals. Let's now talk about specific stocks and ETFs that stand out in 2025. United Health Group, a healthcare insurance giant with diversified services and steady cash flows. Pfizer, while post-COVID revenue is down, their oncology and RSV portfolios remain strong. Dexcom, a leading player in glucose monitoring systems, benefiting from rising diabetes cases. Teladoc Health, riskier, but a long-term telemedicine bet. Amgen, strong drug pipeline and solid dividend history. Always do your own research and consider your risk tolerance. So, is healthcare the safest bet for 2025? In many ways, yes. It's supported by long-term demographic trends, solid demand, and defensive characteristics. But safe doesn't mean risk-free. Investors must look beyond headlines, understand the business models, and avoid overpaying for hype. If you're building a long-term portfolio, healthcare deserves a serious look, especially with diversification across services, pharma, devices, and tech. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you bullish on healthcare in 2025? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.